channel. My name is Grant Wilmore, and today in this video, I'm going to show you how you can make $1 million out of $1. If you're new to this channel, be sure to hit the subscribe button, give it a like, and turn on that bell notification so you can get updated whenever I upload a new video. So first things first, who am I? My name is Grant Wilmore. I am a young entrepreneur trying to find any opportunity to make money, legally of course. What inspired me to do this challenge? If you do any research on any successful person, almost all of them would say invest in yourself. Invest in yourself. So that would mean, buy books like Tai Lopez, video editing, whatever you're good at, whatever you're passionate about, do it. Well, I asked myself that question, what am I passionate about? Well, when I think about it, I'm thinking what I'm passionate about mostly are supercars and making money. So why not turn making money into a way to make money, right? So that's what I decided to do. I'm gonna take this dollar right here. I'm gonna turn this single dollar into $1 million. Here's how the rule of this challenge is gonna work. I cannot add I'm gonna create an account, a separate account with this dollar. With that dollar, I can only use money within that account to make more money. So I cannot add money to it from an external source of income, and I can't take away from this account until I make $1 million. Those are the only two rules. I can't add to it, and I can't take away from it until I reach that $1 million mark. So what do you guys think I should do with this dollar? I'm thinking maybe I buy something with this dollar and sell it for more. I'm also thinking maybe I invest it somewhere. But I want this video to be more interactive, something that you can do and you can replicate so you too can make $1 million. Leave your suggestions down in the comments. Be sure to follow me on my socials here, and here. I'm keeping you guys updated through those channels on what I'm doing with this dollar and how I plan to make it turn into $1 million. And my goal is to try to make it as repeatable as possible. That way you guys could emulate it and make money for yourself. This is a real short video. I'm just showing you my plan for this dollar, and I'll upload another video whenever I make progress. See you guys next time.